went to the beauty supply store and I picked up some last minute things that I wanted to pack and I wanted to bring with me as it goes for my hair and other little things. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. I got 2 packs of flexi rods, the gray ones and the orange ones. I have a lot of flexi rods already, but I just wanted a few more because I want more curls in my hair. I'm gonna put a wig on, by the way. I got some wig caps. Low key, is this the same? I'm gonna make it work, I don't care. I got some heat protected straightening spray. I might wear my hair flat irons one day or something. I don't know. We're gonna try it out though. Also got some little eyelashes and some nose rings. I just needed some nose rings personally. I got my second nose piercing, if you haven't noticed, but this right here is a hoop. I've been wanting to take it out and I need some more studs anyway, so I'm gonna just put one of these studs in here. She's back in action. Also got lip gloss, and so yeah. So I have a few things I need to get done. I'm trying to upload this other YouTube video I just recorded yesterday. It's a vlog, but while I'm kind of waiting for that, I'm gonna start polishing my toes. Y'all, I have not had my toes done since my birthday. They're plain. I only have clear polish on them, so I'm just gonna put some polish on them. This is like this is called lemon sorbet. I don't really like the color, but this was the closest thing I could find to like white, so I'm just gonna be polishing my toes. I am so like behind my little schedule I made with myself because I decided to lay in my bed, but I just braided my hair back. I'm about to put my wig on. This is a black wig. This has been my girl. I've been wearing her as a side part whenever I have been wearing her, but I'm going to try to do a middle part today, or not today, but while I wear her. So with her, I haven't even plucked her or anything. I literally just cut the lace off. I've been gluing her on and been going about my day. And of course, you know, I've been putting makeup on her, but I have not been like doing my usual multiple, you know, step process with this wig. So I'm gonna put my wig cap on and I'm just gonna put her on my head because she needs to get on my head. I'm gonna be using some bold hold. So I don't want to wear this wig as if it's like an actual install, but I do want to have this on at least for like a week minimum. So I'm not gonna put too much bold hold on. Just watch. Okay, y'all, scratch the middle part. I'm not gonna do the middle part. I'm just gonna keep my side part. And yeah.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Since I'm letting my lace kind of lay and get simmered on my head, I'm gonna start attempting to pack. So we're gonna be there for the weekend. I have an idea on 2 outfits, but with one outfit I'm just not fully sure. Like, I don't know. So I'm gonna try to figure something out as quick as I can, because I'm not trying to be doing this all night. So yeah.
Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Sipping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you.
So I didn't completely finish packing, but I have a lot of stuff packed. So I'm just gonna put the small things in here in the morning. But basically I did good. I made progress. My bonnet is on. My hair isn't like, I put my flexi rods in, as y'all saw. I have to shave. I'm sorry y'all, my mirror is dusty, but I have to shave. I'm gonna shave. I didn't have enough time to go get a wax, so I'm gonna shave and then I'm gonna be back to do my nails. And
you are the queen of DIY, and I'm really like I'm
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo.